Delivery of judgment, item 43, WPC 40921 of 2023.
Writ petition dismissed.
I beg your lordship. I
Yes.
119 of today's list Bangla,
19.
91 like 19. The kindly talks about a matter today for 1 week.
1 week.
1 week.
On the prayer of MS A. Bujur Borua, learned counsel for the petition, list this matter after a week.
I am appearing for second week.
MS U. Das, sorry, P. Das, learned standing counsel, secondary education is present.
Make it yours. My lord, may I have your lord's indulgence to mention item number 20?
20, yes.
20. Here we have filed one affidavit yesterday that has not been joined. And so, my lord, my prayer is that it may be fixed after 2 weeks, so that they can also
Mr.
report it.
AC Buramu, learned senior counsel, submits that. An additional affidavit.
Yes, my lord, additional affidavit.
An additional affidavit has been filed. But same is not tagged with the record. Therefore, matter may be listed. Praise for listing of the matter up to 2 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 2 weeks. Your
28. Respondent number 3.
MS
S. Borua.
S.
On
Borua.
behalf of KP Patel.
Mr. KP Patel, appearing on behalf of KP Patel, standing counsel, All India Council Technical, AICT, Respondent number 3 is present. Yes.
Next is your lordship. Lordship, with the consent from the other party, I beg to mention item 45, lordship.
25.
45. 45.
45.
Lordship, may adjourn the matter to 10-6 after 10 days, lordship.
Wherefore?
Petitioner for
MP Sharma. MP Sharma. MS so learned counsel for the for appearing on behalf Mr. MP Sharma, learned counsel petitioner prays that matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
13 days, lordship.
After 2 weeks, praise the Lord, list after 2 weeks. Are you appearing? Okay.
Yes, lordship.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention listing of an admission matter on Friday, my lord.
What is the matter?
So we are challenging a speaking order, lordship.
Press matter.
But it's already no notice have been issued, lordship.
After a week.
The week.
Next week.
May please, my lord, I beg to mention item number 27. In this matter, lordship, the respondents have filed a affidavit, lordship. We want to file-
27.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship may allow us to file a reply, lordship.
Mr.
HR does.
HR Das, learned counsel for the petition submits a phrase for and is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit reply to the affidavit opposition filed by the state respondents. Yes.
Lordship, there is an interim order.
Interim order passed earlier, so continue.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, item number 22. The state has filed their affidavit in opposition on last Friday. So we need 2 weeks time, Lordship.
File reply. You are for petitioner. Mr. J. Kalita, learned counsel for the petition submits the phrase for and is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit reply. This after 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 6, Your Lordship. The matter
Item 6.
Yes, Your Lordship. The matter may be possible for the day.
Yes. What do you want?
The matter may be possible for the day, Your Lordship.
MS?
R.A. Chaudhary.
You are for R.A. Chaudhary.
Your Lordship, I'm for the petitioner. I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. E. Ahmed, Your Lordship.
MS so and so. Your name?
R.A. Chaudhary. R.A. Chaudhary.
R.A. Chaudhary.
Yes.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. E. Ahmed Request for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Where the last list after 2 weeks.
My lord, I have prayers for two items, my lord. Item number 21, my lord. We had just received the affidavit in opposition filed by the state, my lord, a few days back. 21, Bharat Chandra Patwar.
21.
21, lord. We need some time to file a reply, my lord.
Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner's phrase for and is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. List after 2 weeks.
My lord, I also have a prayer with regard to item number 2, 3, 4, and 5, my lord.
No adjournment. 2015 matter.
My lord, is that my lord, Mr. UK Nair, my lord,
Hmm.
had passed a judgment in these matters, which are substantially similar to the issues at hand. Thereafter, my lord, that matter was directed to be listed after the writ appeal order would be passed in those matters. Then we preferred a review. The review was allowed. And this writ petitions, my lord, need to be heard, my lord, subject to your lordship's final observation by the same judge, my lord, since he has to differentiate between two orders, my lord. My friend is also on board with the matter, my lord. Om Prakash Shah was opined and passed an order by my lordship in the year 2024. Same set of facts, my lord. He has to differentiate. Otherwise, we would have had to wait for the writ appeal. That is the reason I'm making this prayer, my lord.
So who has to?
My lord,
Should go to the same bench.
number 18 presently, my lord. Court number.
You file a review.
We have filed a review. The review was allowed. Now, the learned single judge had agreed to hear the matter separately on merits, keeping in view my lord's earlier order passed in Om Prakash Shah. My friend S. Das has also been on board with the matter with the reviews and the earlier writ petition also, my lord.
Om Prakash, who has passed that order?
Same, almost basis, same set of facts, but there are certain additional documents that we have provided in our writ
This
petition.
is regarding.
Infill.
Huh?
There was a clause initially by the government in 2009 that people who have had MPhil did not have net and SLET. That notification came in the year.
Where is that judgment?
My lord?
Where is that judgment?
Now the judgment is off.
It has already been reviewed.
No, my lord, what has happened is after Om Prakash Shah was decided by the Honorable Single Judge, the same Honorable Single Judge had directed that Om Prakash Shah was before the division bench. Now, whatever happens to the division bench will decide the fate of our writ petition, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We filed a review before the same judge saying that that order may not stand because there are certain documents in our writ petition which are substantially different as compared to what was there in Om Prakash Shah. So certain points were not brought on record. So we reviewed my lord's order stating that the matter needs to be heard after writ appeal dismissal or whatever would be, my lord. That review was passed and agreed and allowed by the learned single judge. Now that matter in the single judge, my lord, the writ petitions 2, 3, 4, and 5 needs to be heard by the same judge. The reason being,
What about the division bench?
that appeal is pending.
So you said until the
That was the learned single judge's order earlier. And in fact, this matter had
he
initially.
himself has reviewed it.
That fine.
Oh, obviously he will review it.
Yes.
That is once it is reviewed,
Fine.
whether the appeal.
No, the appeal is going in its own course.
Huh.
The appeal is moving at its own course, my lord.
No, that appeal is against the judgment only.
Om Prakash.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
So who has passed the Om Prakash? Om Prakash has not been reviewed.
No. It's similar orders, Om Prakash Shah and 2, 3, 4, and 5. Majority of it are substantially similar. It's just the case is similar. But there are certain documents and there are certain stand of positions.
In which case it was, this has been reviewed in this case, in these cases.
So UK Nair, my lord, Nair needs to hear the matter because he has to.
What is the ground, I mean, why it was reviewed?
No, the review was that 2, 3, 4, and 5 initially on 22/3/2025. My lord had directed that as and when what happens to the Om Prakash Shah matter before the division bench, that will decide the fate of these writ petitions. But our contention was, my lord, that our writ petitions also, to some extent, stand separately on a separate footing. Majority of it are similar arguments, but there are certain points that we have raised before the learned single judge. So we reviewed my lord's order. That order stating that the matter needs to be kept in abeyance till the division bench's order. Now that single judge, my lord, had allowed that review and had allowed the writ petitions to be heard in its own merit, notwithstanding the order passed by my lord in Om Prakash Shah. Now, since Om Prakash Shah was also adjudicated by the learned single judge, my lord Nair, he has to differentiate between his two orders. He has to differentiate between Om Prakash Shah and 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is the difference, my lord.
So what's the bar taking up by this court?
No, now there is no bar. But the Om Prakash Shah matter had been gone into by my lord Nair, and he had opined based on certain facts. Now he needs to be convinced otherwise. He needs to be convinced, my lord, subject to what your lordship would finally say. But he needs to be convinced otherwise to disagree with his own order of Om Prakash Shah.
There may be, factually, there may be certain differences.
I know.
But similar matter is decided if it is before the, it's a decision before the division bench.
It's not decided.
It's pending.
It's pending.
Single judge has decided. But he has, in the review, he said it's a different.
He has
It's
not,
not a similar matter.
he's not expressly said that, but he has reviewed, he's allowed the review, stating that the writ petitions need to be heard in its own merit.
Ah.
That is the order passed in the review petition of 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Hmm.
Now 2, 3, 4 and 5, if needs to be differentiated from the judgment of Om Prakash Shah, my friend is also here, Mala, for the higher education.
Ah.
Om Prakash Shah needs to be distinguished from 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Hmm.
And that, my lord, subject to what your lordship might finally say.
That's why what's the bar taking up this bench?
There is absolutely no bar. But the
Ah.
fact is, since it is my lord's own order in Om Prakash Shah,
Ah.
he has to ideally author a difference between that judgment and this judgment, because there are certain facts that my lord will be knowing.
We'll see the Om Prakash. If this court finds that this is the same thing, though, I'll agree with that.
Then if your lordship decides to hear the matter, my lord, I'll have no objection to that, my lord. If your lordship can kindly fix it on the next hearing day, day after tomorrow. Because we are expecting that my lord will recuse the matter, because my lord Nair will be hearing the matter. But since your lordship decides to hear it, we'll argue.
No, I'm yet to decide. I'm just asking whether there's any bar. Anyway,
My lord,
it
that
is-
is the reason I've made the submission.
submitted by Mr. M. Sharma and Mr. S. Das, as well as K. Gogoi. Then counsel to the parties that this matter may be listed before other bench in view of the listed before the bench who has reviewed the earlier order in these matters. Stuff. Anyway, I'll just send it. Should I send it or what?
Leave it to your lordship's wisdom, my lord. As your lordship
No,
so
we'll-
decide,
we'll
my lord,
say,
because our prayer initially was based on the bona fide that
A registry to verify as to whether these matters can be taken up by any other bench other than the bench reviewed the order in these matters. Mr. If it is
No objection. From our side,
if
no
it
objection.
is to be taken up by the bench who has reviewed its earlier order in these matters, same may be placed, same may be placed before the same bench. We'll see, let the registry to verify.
grateful.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 42.
42. Yes,
Kindly adjourn this matter, your lordship. The conducting council is from.
this is listed for orders. We'll see. No, it is hearing.
It's a hearing. Kindly give a fixed date, your lordship. The conducting council is from Delhi. He cannot come today for some.
Sir, are you comfortable with the Hindi? Hindi,
No,
not comfortable.
I'm comfortable. with it.
It's a national language. ये एक लौता हियरिंग मैटर है आज के लिए. What to do?
Kindly adjourn this matter for today.
Why? What's the problem?
Your lordship, the conducting council is from Delhi, your lordship.
Huh?
This Conducting council, Mr. I. Hasib, is from Delhi. He's.
I Hasib.
Yes.
Lord, in
Otherwise,
fact,
no
on the
case.
last occasion, he was here, but since Mr. K. N. Chaudhary had some difficulty, the matter could not be taken up. Your lordship had to rise, if your lordship recollects.
Yes, yes. We have recorded also. There
Uh,
is nothing on merit. It's all fait accompli. Whatever you are claiming,
Lordship, kindly,
it's everything is over.
Lordship, kindly give a next dates, your lordship, 9 July, he'll be here.
and that-
In all the cases, we cannot
9
decide.
June, 9 June, your lordship.
Anyway, Mr.
Vijay Das.
Vijay Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that leading counsel, Mr. Hasib, is indisposed today. Is it so? Therefore, fresh for listing of the matter after on 9th
9 June.
6/2026. Mr. Prayer not being objected to by MS.
Dr. P. Agarwal for respondent number three.
Dr. P. Agarwal, learned counsel for the
Standing Council UGC.
standing counsel UGC. Prayer not being objected. Prayer not being objected by learned counsel by the respondents. Dr. P. Agarwal and Mr. and Gautam. Same is allowed. List accordingly. List accordingly.
Obliged.
Mayor President, I beg to mention item 9 also. Only yesterday I have circulated the adjournment slip. So some reply have to be.
9.
9 also.
Yes,
Yesterday we have circulated the.
yes,
adjournment slip
I've
also.
seen it. Mr. On the prayer of Mr. H.
Yeah,
Chetri. Your name is H. Chetri, learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Huh?
I beg to mention item 26, few days back, affidavit position file. We have.
Item 26.
Yes, for the 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, the reply we should want to file.
Mr. On the prayer, Mr.
And
Michael Jackson Barua. MJ Barua, learned counsel for the petitioner. Phrase for is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. Can you dance?
my lord,
Can you dance? Can you dance?
my lord, not my lord.
You know who is Michael Jackson?
I know, my lord. I've seen the movie also.
Okay.
But
You try to, learn some dancing
yes,
skill.
my-
Moonwalk,
yes,
you know, it's very easy. You try it.
yes, my lord.
Pending promotion matter, my lord.
Yes,
Let it be taken up on Friday, my lord.
after 2 weeks. Friday not possible.
Any date? Huh?
After 2 weeks, you put some there.
Maybe.
Yes,
I beg to mention for listing lordship. Suspension matter lordship. Admission column lordship. Admission column lordship. and
it's pending
Pending matter lordship.
after 2 weeks. 2 weeks, put some there. You're convenient there.
Well, I beg to mention item number 13 of today's list.
13. Yes,
From looking after this matter, Malad. He is not available today. So Malad.
we've taken the consent.
Matter may be fixed,
Okay.
my lord. That's one matter.
It's consented by Mr.
I'm PK Government.
N. Sharma. Item 13, 1-3. 1-3. Your name is not there.
On behalf of M. Das, petitioner.
I am
Appearing on behalf of MS M. Das, then counsel for the petitioner, comma. Let this matter be listed after, Mr. So and so, learn counsel for respondents. Secondary elementary education.
We have PN Sharma. Malad.
List this matter after 3 weeks,
2 weeks, madam.
2 weeks, huh?
Date may be fixed.
Yes, next.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16 for admission.
16. Yes.
Lordship, we don't have the, we need some time to reconstruct the file, actually. We don't have the copy of petition.
It is submitted by MS
P. Kashyap.
P. Kashyap, Learned Counsel for respondent number.
BTC, Your Lordship.
Respondent for BT, Learned Counsel for BTC. That the file is required to be reconstructed, therefore fresh for listing of the matter after 4 weeks, 3 weeks. As agreed, as consented by Mr. AMS SB Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the prayer for adjournment is accepted. Is allowed, huh? List accordingly. A list after 3 weeks. List the matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, we want to file our affidavit, my lord.
What is the similar matters? Fix. What are the similar matters?
That is fair.
You have received the instruction.
Yes, my lord.
What is the matter about?
My lord, the matter relates to the paying all pension scheme, my lord.
Hmm?
All pension scheme, my lord. Now they are deducting the amount under the NPS fund.
What is this appointment in 1996?
Yes, madam.
Was a regular appointment?
Yes. No. Subsequently, my lord, it was regular. To my instruction, my lord, petitioner appointed under OBB scheme, my lord.
Grant regular scale of pay. See, granting of regular scale of pay is one thing, and your appointment, the time of appointment is essential. Although you have been appointed not on regular basis in 1996. Only in 2015 only they have decided to grant you regular scale of pay. How can you claim that you should be granted or
Let them file affidavit first. I'll satisfy them.
notice has been issued?
No, my lord.
Will issue notice? Heard, Mr.
K. Kolita.
Huh?
K. Kolita.
K. Kolita, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. The petitioners who have been appointed as secondary assistant teacher in the year 1996 claim that the petitioner the claims that they may be provided the benefits of, and they may be granted the benefits of all pension scheme under the provision of SM services within bracket pension rules 1969. treating them to have been regularly appointed prior to 01/02/2005 against the sanction post. As they have been granted regular scale of pay. In the year 2015, considering their continuous service as assistant teacher. List of issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. Bora, PK Bora, Learned Council, Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, enters appearance and accepts notice.
4, my lord.
One be respond number 124. No formal notice need be issued in respect of the above respondents. However, extra copies be signed. So, Mr. MS, who is finance? Who is finance?
Only her name may be recorded.
Then alia. You just said alia and all. Then in that case, no. For the standing on finance and MS score standing council.
My lordship, that's
Government
what I
advocate.
said.
State council. For respondent 6 enters appearance so and so. No problem. Miss, considering that the Mr. Bora has, the understanding has already received the instruction. He is directed to file the affidavit in opposition on or before the next date, list after 4 weeks.
Supplementary post this, order this set of party item 24.
Item 44.
Respondent, my lord,
Objection.
my lord, I'm being newly included as party respondent number 8. I can accept notice for
8.
8, my lord.
No. They are seeking implement of respondent number 7 and 8.
Has to go by notice by, my lord, post by, my lord, and I'm for, I can appear for.
7 is
direct
who?
mediation.
Which 7? University Grant Commission. So we'll allow. Then we'll issue notice only. Who is for the petitioner? He's around or what? After some time. Just inform him.
This admission item 7.
Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, kindly have a look on the order 25/2025. There is some direction to the government council. That today, my learned friend has to place the records. The dispute regarding the petitioners, the school as well as the respondent number 9 and 10, which school is the genuine one in this regard, my lord? But both the school using the same dice code, same school name, but the place name of the village is Pahartal and Pahartal 2 there. This is dispute involved in this matter, so could they act to place the record? The record is, if records come, which is genuine, then government and provincial data school.
Will produce the record? Mr. MS Pukon.
9 and 10. And here is the already inquiry report is there. The affidavit opposition.
My lord, may take up the matter after some time, my lord. Because in the file record, my lord, there is a record available in the.
After some
my
time.
lord.
Record, you have received the record.
My lord, in the letter, they stated that they are not unable to test up the record. In the file record, my lord, it is written that the record available. Let me check, my lord, after some time.
Public.
Item 8. Item 8.
Yes, who is for the state?
The Lordship, we have not yet received the instruction, Lordship.
What is the instruction?
Lordship, so
Huh?
sometime will be granted, Lordship. We have yet to receive, Lordship.
It's a pension matter.
Lordship.
Hmm?
I'll get the instruction, Lordship. Why it has not been
Now appears for the petitioners on call on the prayer of
due for
the Upamanya, Learned Standing Council, Higher Education. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks, 4 weeks, so as to enable the Learned Standing Council to receive instruction, to obtain instructions. Yes.
Timing 44.
Heard MS, heard Mr. Ardhar, Learned Council for the applicant, and also heard MS B. Bora. B. Borwa. Bor for?
I can appear for respondent.
No, for which 8 is what?
See, madam.
They have to be Learned Council for BTC, as well as Mr. D.4 for state respondent. Next para. This is an application seeking implement.
Page 6, Lordship.
Of seeking implement.
Page 6. University Grant Commission.
7,
Respondent number 7 will be in the University Grant Commission.
The University Grant Commission and the Director of BTC. Director of Education, BTC. In the connected writ petition being WPC 1898 of 2025. Next para. The applicant had filed the connected writ petition challenging the appointment of
the respondent number 6.
one Dr. Lakshmi Basumutari comma, respondent number 6 in the said writ petition, in the writ petition, comma, alleging that the appointment is dehours the rules. Appointment of assistant professor, assistant professor, alleging that the appointment of the respondent number 6 is dehours the rules. The applicant, next para, submits that while filing the writ petition, the inadvertently the proposed respondents have not been made. Proposed parties have been proposed to the parties sought to be implemented herein have not been met, added as party respondents. Though the parties are necessary parties. Please, the next paragraph. Having considered the nature of the issue raised in the connected writ petition, and also considering issue as regards the rules. No, having considered the issue involved in the writ petition, in the connected writ petition, as regards the appointment of assistant professor and assistant professor for which the assistant professor under the rules and regulation of the UGC and the Education Department BTC, comma, I am of the considered view that the proposed parties, the parties sought to be implemented in the connected writ petition would be a necessary parties for proper adjudication of the matter. Please, that's the
So one thing, the entire
that is
selection process,
proposed to be implemented as respondent number 8, 7 and 8 are necessary parties, would be a necessary parties, please, accordingly. The the University Grants Commission so and so, page 6, and so are allowed to be implemented at respondent number 7 and 8 in the connected writ petition being so and so. IA stands allowed and disposed. In view of the order passed in IA so in writ petition, petitioner filed an amended cause title.
Yes.
And council petitioners filed and the registry to thereafter registry to incorporate the newly implemented respondent number 7 and 8. Next para. Since MS Bora, learned counsel, enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of respondent, newly implemented respondent number 8, no formal notice need be issued. However, extra copies is furnished to the learned counsel petitioner to furnish an extra copy to next para. Issue notice to the respondent number 7 by registered post, by speed post as well as by usual process within 2 working days.
extended council is there, Lordship, S. Shamua.
Whatever. If you want to permit, yes.
Lordship, I will be allowed to file an IA to bring some documents on record, Lordship.
Who is stopping you? Who will stop you?
No, I am taking the default.
Great man. Nobody can stop you.
Obliged, Lordship. And the entire selection process was dehorsed the OM dated 24/1/2020.
Sir, you are great man. Don't worry. We'll consider everything.
I'm seeking a week's time, Lordship.
Huh?
I pray for a week's time, Lordship, because the matter is under active consideration in the finance department. In the
I'm
finance.
directed to inform you the matter is under active consideration. You are requested to pray for before for granting 1 week's time before for that time to place the updated instructions before the meeting. What is the matter about?
The direction for giving the free advance annual income to the direction given for free advance increment to the petitioner lordship on account of acquiring PhD degree lordship. He acquired a PhD degree on 20 on
Heard MS so and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. D. Permanent Learned Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department, by placing the communication dated 12/05/2026 from the Deputy Director of Higher Education, Assam, submits that the matter is under active consideration in the Directorate. Therefore, praise for listing of the matter after 1 week. List of prayers allowed, list the matter after 1 week. List of on the next date, the Mr. Upamani, then standing counsel to place the instruction.
Wait, please, Lord.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, we have received our up-to-date instructions, my lord. We'll be filing our affidavit in opposition.
What is the matter?
Well, the drop teacher lordship.
Huh?
Teacher was not provincialized lordship.
Huh?
The district scrutiny committee recommended my name lordship. The state level committee did not, my lord, provincialize the service of the petitioner.
On what ground?
My lord, no ground is mentioned lordship. Kindly see the order. At page 26 lordship.
76.
26 lordship.
Huh.
Annexure 7.
Hmm.
My lord, list is lordship.
The provision contained Assam so and so, so and so, so and so. The provincial service of 309 tutors against 10 Benson.
My lord, CL number 294.
Are hereby notified along with the district-wide number of schools with name of the tutors whose service. Yes, then?
My lord, the list is lordship 294. 295, 296, 3 persons here, my lord, provincialized lordship. My name is not here.
So?
So that is why I have challenged this order, lordship.
Why you are challenging? On what ground?
Because, my lord, I am Arabic teacher, lordship.
Then who else have been appointed at a provincialized?
Appointed by the managing committee.
Ah.
Now, lordship, all the employees.
No, these 3 persons.
3 persons were also appointed by the managing committee.
Provincialized.
Provincialized, their services have been provincialized. But
In
my service,
which subject?
Lordship, kindly see the recommendation.
In which subject?
Sorry, lordship.
These 3 persons have been appointed provincialized, in which subject?
Is not mentioned here in lordship in this order, lordship.
Yes, you find out.
Yes,
If
my
it
lord,
is,
I will
if it is social science,
Exactly, my lord.
if it is social science
Yes.
and
Hence,
maths
social
and science,
and language.
social studies and
Exactly,
language,
lord.
3 if they were
My
appointed,
lord.
better
I am
ends here.
language teacher, my lord, Arabic teacher.
Doesn't matter. Are you seen who have been appointed as language teacher?
My
Find
lord, I'll get my, I have got the updated, my lord. Let me bring it on record, my lord. So that-
No, you tell us. We'll dispose of the matter. What's
my lord,
clear?
Nazrul Islam tutor is there, my lord. Abdul
Huh?
Wazid is there. And Akram Hussain is there, my lord.
Who have been anybody appointed as a language teacher?
Nazrul Islam, my lord.
In which Arabic? Matter ends here. Nothing.
Arabic has not been appointed.
Nothing. Huh?
Arabic has not.
Not necessary. It's only one language teacher. What is the such provision? Section 311, something like that.
311, language as lordship.
Huh?
Language
Only one language.
My lord, kindly see
Not
the
necessarily
311.
particular Arabic. Are you senior to this thing? The person whose service has been provincialized as English?
Recommendation order, kindly see the recommendation, lordship. I am senior lordship. Recommendation with lordship.
My lord,
Is it-
date of joining, your lordship comes to page 23, my lord. Kindly come to page 23. 23, my lord, date of joining Nazrul Islam is 13/1/1986.
23. Nazrul Islam. Page 23.
Page
Let
23.
us see.
Nazrul Islam is the tutor.
Tutor of what?
Absolutely right, my lord. Name
Date
the
of
subject
joining 1986.
The date of joining.
And who is this?
From the right, my lord, third column, name of the subject taught English, in ENG. He is a petitioner. He has joined on 15/11 afterwards,
Malik.
my lord.
Yes.
He's junior to the petitioner. Junior to the
15/11.
respondent, my lord.
Abdul Malik.
Abdul Malik, he's 15/11/19, so he's junior, my lord. And therefore, my lord, the committee has rightfully provincialized the other person, my lord.
Yes.
That is Nazrul Islam. Therefore, my lord,
Who
doesn't
is
have a
for
case.
this Nazrul Islam? Anybody? Have you met him a party?
No, I have not challenged this.
Yes.
Now, what I am submitting lordship, my lord, coordinate.
Number one, you are not senior to the person whose services has been provincial as a language teacher. English. It's not necessary in all the subject.
My lord, kindly see provision, my lord.
311.
G11
Section
lord.
311. Read it.
Yes. G11 lord.
3111.
In
3111.
case of when sir,
Just give me that.
upper primary school lordship,
This is upper primary school.
ME school lordship, ME madrasa lordship. ME madrasa, my lord, ME madrasa and ME school lordship is different lordship. In ME let me submit, lord. In definition, my lord, it is there lordship.
Madrasa is no longer there now, my lord.
It's good even in madrasa if the English teacher is appointed, it's very good. Why only the Arabic?
My lord, kindly see definition lordship.
Madrasa, obviously it is a medium through the Arabic only.
Yes, lordship. That is
Therefore,
why
the
this
English teacher is necessary.
Arabic teacher is necessary. That is
Huh?
why it is Arabic teacher is necessary. That is why it's
English also equally necessary.
lordship. Now kindly see definition lordship. Definition first of all.
Not definition. That section.
ME madrasa definition.
Where it is? Where it is?
Section 2.
This is Assam. Assam what?
This is Assam, Assam Education Provincialization of Services of Teachers and Reorganization of
Page-
Educational Institutions
page-
2011, 2007.
One.
My lord, this book lordship page 107. Lord. New book lordship. My lord, ZD lordship, 2ZD lordship. Definition, lord.
107. Benser Upper Primary School means in
Benser-
school imparting education from class 6 to 7.
Lordship, that 2ZD Benser Educational Institution means and includes
Come to
Benser
page
Degree College,
triple-
Benser Higher Secondary
Come
College.
to page 111. Roman 11.
Equal one lordship. 11 law. In case of Benser Upper Primary School, there shall be minimum 3 teachers or tutors, at least 1 teacher each for science and mathematics, social studies, and languages lordship. Languages, my lord. Languages includes my lord,
It's up
Assamese.
to them. It's a little, I mean,
My lord, languages include Assamese, English, lordship, Arabic is also. a
there
special-
cannot be this only at least 3 teachers. If it is 3 is fulfilled, you don't have a matter. They may consider this a different thing altogether. They
My
may
lord,
be.
yes, my lord. That may be directed to
Probably-
consider
no,
lordship now.
huh?
We look to take into consideration is that the person who has been given, my lord, he is senior to the
We
petitioner.
cannot direct them to act on their discretion. Discretion is up to them. We cannot.
Yes, my, they may be directed to.
Dispose of writ petition dismissed.
Or dishonorable court in series of my lord cases lordship has directed lordship long orders are
You
there.
are
lord.
junior, you may be a,
My
correct?
lord, this order
You may
kindly
be
see for a moment. lordship.
Arabic teacher, I don't.
My lord, in that case, it is stated that there is scope for consideration, although my lord,
By this court.
yes, lordship, this coordinate bench lordship.
One case only.
He orders lordship.
Only one judgment.
My lord,
not more than that.
my lord, one after lordship. Yes,
Only one.
my lord, only one lordship.
And
This
you
is
have not
a
made the
three,
part,
five-
you have not,
My lord,
you have
this
not-
judgment was followed in other cases.
you have not filed the, you have not made this, what, that is? Azdul Islam as a party respondent.
My lord, I am not challenging his, my lord,
How-
for consideration, my case, lordship.
No,
My lord, in that
first you
case,
have to establish your right. You
My-
have, you first establish that whether you have a right to consider.
lordship, for a moment, see, this judgment kindly see, lordship.
Read it, what's there?
One judgment I have given, lordship.
Read it,
Yeah, what is it?
read it, I'll hear.
This is 359, WPC 3597.
Don't read from the para one, relevant.
Lordship. Paragraph 9. My lord, 18 onwards, kindly see, lordship.
Not
Having
onwards,
considered that
what is relevant, you read it.
Not only one, my lord, paragraph, lordship.
Are you still working? Are you still working?
No, lordship. Now, the school has been merged, lordship.
Finished.
I have challenged this order, lordship.
You are
I am
no longer
lordship.
required now by lapse of the time, unfortunately.
I am challenged it. I have challenged this, my lord. In all those cases, lordship, my lord,
See, unfortunately, madrasa is no longer there.
no longer, but teachers are there, lordship.
Huh? You go there, ask them,
Teachers are there.
you request the authorities.
That is why, lordship, my directed to.
Over and above, my case may also be considered. Go there,
My lord,
not before this court.
what I am submitting, lordship, if the petition dismissed.
See, this is very clear.
My lord,
3111 is very clear.
my lord, paragraph 18 of this judgment, can you see, lordship? Lordship. Having considered that the provisions of right of children for to free and let's say compulsory education post 9, it is not an issue of to be considered. This court refrain from referring the said provision as the same would be. It is stated at the bar that the post of language teachers have already been filled up by in the Venture Upper Primary Schools. There may not be any possibility of appointing more language teachers. However, as noted above, the provisions of section C111 of the Assam Education Provincial Act 2017 provides for a scope of additional post, as the SAM provides that there shall be a minimum 3 teachers or tutors, at least 1 teacher each for each of the subject, and out of the 3 subjects including the languages, I am of the view that these respondent authorities may reconsider the case of the petitioners as the provisions provides for a scope of provincial
Judgment of this
additional
court.
teachers.
Judgment by this court,
No, coordinate bench, my lord.
not coordinate bench. This is my judgment.
Lordship. Oh, I don't think your lordship judgment. Then it may be your lordship judgment may be followed, lordship.
Don't change my name.
My lord, in this year it may be disposed, lordship. I will, my lord, try my
No,
luck,
no.
lordship.
Action circumstance, that case is different, my lord. People
What
teacher
is-
ratio was
this
more,
is
my lord.
This
People
is
teacher
also
ratio was more, my
additional,
lord.
drop teachers.
See, your only ground is that you are senior to the teachers who have been
I am not.
provincialized.
I am-
That is absolutely incorrect statement.
I am not senior, lordship.
Huh?
I am not senior, lordship.
Then why you were said? Then why you should be considered then?
My lord, consider additional, my lord, English teachers.
No, why you should be?
My lord, in paragraph.
It's a discretion. It's not that
My lord, in this paragraph.
you should be considered.
Paragraph 19 law stated, there is scope for consideration of additional teachers law. That is why I am
In
submitting.
that text of the case, I have said so.
Well, in this year, it may be disposed of. I will, my lord, try my.
I have not laid down any law
If
that
my-
it will apply to all the sundry cases.
My lord,
After that only the additional teacher can be given.
so much.
Yes, this was the heard, Mr.
MH,
M.A.
MH.
M.H. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And also Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department for respondent 124. Who is 5? All the respondents.
All.
All the for still respondents. Huh? That's all. I'll pass the order.
Lordship.
Keep your
Alright.
cross finger. I mean, keep your finger crossed. I'm sorry.
Another, my lord, prayer in this case, lordship. My lord, the petitioner did not file appeal, my lord, against my lord. The petitioner did not file any appeal, my lord, under section 14 of the, my lord, the act, lordship. My lord, last, my lord, he may be also, my lord, allowed to.
Then in that case, you withdraw the petition, will give you a liberty to file an
That
appeal.
observation may be given in this case.
That can be done.
That
Withdraw the
will-
petition in that case. If
My
you
lord,
want to,
that
if you want to avail that. Then motion. No, you just said, Mr. M.H. Ahmed, after arguing the matter at some length, having realized that he has not availed a remedy, avail the alternative and efficacious remedy under the act, under the law, phrase for withdrawal of this writ petition.
My lord, withdrawal, I have.
Writ petition,
My lord,
writ petition.
restriction also. My lord, my lord, prayed for it and
How
observation.
can you, no, how can you do that? Either we'll dismiss this. Either you'll dismiss it or allow you to withdraw to avail the remedy if you want. It cannot, I mean, it's not trial and error. Try to understand.
Then maybe it.
Well, we're dealing with the rights of the litigants here. We're not here to have a trial and error. You decide.
In other cases, other my lord, coordinate basis.
Forget about that. We'll take care of that. Don't worry. If you want to withdraw to avail the remedy, we'll allow you. If you have since you have already argued the matter, we'll decide on merit in that case.
Lordship may be decided, lordship, I made this submission may be, my lord.
What submission?
My lord.
See, there cannot be two ways. It's like you are trying. If you fail, then I'll jump into the other option. It's not an option, sir.
Lordship. That was my submission before lord.
What submission? You cannot have a contradictory submission, sir. Choice is yours. Huh?
It may be decided on.
Oh, you file an appeal, I'll decide. Dispose of. Huh?
Lord. How like that?
Right.
My pleasure, lord.
Yes.
Time to file affidavit, lordship.
Sir, what is the matter about?
Promotional benefit, lordship.
Huh?
Promotional benefit.
Promotional benefit.
My lord, matter relates to, my lord, whether the teacher of LP school in the event of amalgamation with AMI school is entitled to, my lord, get the benefit of seniority, or whether seniority will continue, my lord. And at the time of, my lord, selection of a candidate for the post of headmaster, whether the teacher working in the LP school is entitled to be considered. And law is amended, my rule was amended, and interim order was, but there was an order passed, my lord, appointing some teacher who is junior to me, that was stayed by the court. And last 2-3 occasions, my lord, they took time to
Who
file
is
appeal.
working? As an in-charge principal?
Yes.
A headmaster, who is working?
My lord, now, my lord, BO is, my lord, allowed to hold the charge as an, my lord, interim measure.
So under which law, under which rules you are entitled for appointment as
No,
headmaster?
I'm entitled to be considered under the Assam Elementary Education Provisional Rule.
Let us see.
And that was.
Which
my lord,
provision? Which
amended.
provision?
The question involved, my lord, will teachers of LP school in the event.
You have
of-
retired.
My lord?
You have retired.
No. I'm working. So, my lord, some affidavit necessary on the last occasion court observed that some affidavit is necessary. Because the question is involved whether teachers are entitled who work in the LP school in the event of amalgamation, whether their seniority will continue or not.
Sir, why this 56 pages writ petition
Because, my lord, I have
for
annexed-
appointment of headmaster?
because, my lord, I have annexed the rules, I have annexed the policy,
No, your this body of the petition is 57 pages.
because I had to make some readings, my lord,
Nothing.
readings. no any particular paragraph is relevant, I think.
Why 58 pages of writ petition for appointment of headmaster of
No,
a school?
question is, my lord, question is whether.
We'll have to see under which rule.
Hello, I have
The
already-
provision, just give me the provision. We'll have to see. Why 58 pages unnecessary troubling paper and ink?
No, I am not troubling your lordship.
Not to me,
Huh?
the paper and ink.
That is my lord, client will bear me.
We'll have
My
to,
understanding, my
we'll
lord,
have to impose a austerity on you, Mr. Prokasta. Unnecessary 58 pages, appointment of a headmaster.
no, my lord.
You have to show that,
My lord,
show
take
the rule only provision.
all the teachers.
Whether the appointment is illegal or not, whether you are entitled or not, that's all.
No, my lord, this is not the
3
question.
pages, not more than 6 pages.
It is possible for the court, my lord, it may not be possible for me.
58 pages will not read.
No, lordship, kindly see, they made application. They
See,
sought for-
Mr. Prokasto, I read your petition yesterday.
Mal.
It took me 2 hours. I mean 1 hour.
Synopsis.
Then at the end, I was really shocked
Regarding what?
that you have prepared a 58 pages petition for appointment of headmaster of a school.
No,
It's a very, very simple matter. You'll only, I don't have to school you.
Lordship is a well.
You're a
executed
seasoned lawyer. Sir,
Matter which is simple for the court, it may not be simple.
no, it's not. See, you are a seasoned lawyer. It's not in all the cases the 58 and 100 pages is required.
Just
It's
prepare-
not it.
just
So,
prepare-
sir, so as the provision.
My lord,
How you are entitled, why the other respondents have been, I mean, the respondent have been appointed, how they have been appointed, under which provision.
well,
That's all, will it determine and allow, if you are entitled, you will direct them to,
let me place my case.
huh.
I was initially appointed as a teacher in LP school. Then government took a policy decision to amalgamate the LP school with the ME school.
Yes.
Then I was, my school was amalgamated.
Hmm.
At that point in time, I was senior most.
Hmm.
And as per the policy decision, the teacher who worked as, my lord, in the LP school, they will retain their seniority.
Hmm.
Without losing any seniority, they will continue the ME school.
Hmm.
The provision in the, my lord, policy decision. Then headmaster, who was the senior most teacher of LP school, he expired.
Hmm.
And in the event of his expiry, my lord, some application was submitted by the petitioner.
Hmm.
At that point of time, my lord, the government, the PO sought for, my lord, option to all other senior teachers. And my lord, senior teacher died. Next senior teacher, second senior teacher, he expressed his unwillingness to hold the charge of headmaster. The next man is need to be considered. They did not give it offer any option to. They offered option to all junior teachers.
Hmm.
Now ultimately, all junior teachers relinquished their claim.
Hmm.
Then they, my lord, appointed respondent number 9,
Hmm.
in spite of her unwillingness. Then I challenged this order before this honorable court. Court was pleased to stay the order. Now government-
Where is that stay order?
Stay order is, my lord,
That's why I'm asking, who is, it's in 2021, who is working now?
my lord, now BO is holding the charge.
Huh?
BO, Block Elementary Education Officer.
The petition assistant teacher is so and so. Ordinary members of the SMC, the headmaster, the petition senior to respond.
Kindly have a look, my lord. Order dated 28/10/2021.
Yes, respondent number 9 is also, she is also not willing.
He is not also willing. I have enclosed the application.
What is the provision regulating appointment of headmaster?
Provision, my lord, there is a now rule was.
Just because you are a senior, it cannot be, you cannot have a automatic right to be
Yes.
appointed.
My lord,
You must, even if you may be senior, you must fulfill the
Yes,
requirement under the
My-
rules.
Under the, my lord, now had notification dated 18 February 2026. Original rule was amended. Now they are saying the post of headmaster is a promotional post. And it has to be decided on the, in terms of, my lord, merit come, seniority come merits. And there is also a provision inserted in the amendment rules that the teachers of, my lord, original LP school, in the event of merging, my lord, they will continue their seniority. Therefore, once you
They'll
want to,
they'll continue?
they will continue with their seniority without losing their seniority. Now the question is, my lord, if you want to make a regular promotion to the post of headmaster, then you have to hold DPC because this post is said to be, my lord, promotional post. And they have also referred to, my lord, certain provision for constitution of DPC. Therefore, my lord, once the regular promotion is pending, and if you want to make an alternative arrangement and just stop the arrangement, then
You conduct, if you want to appoint a headmaster,
yes,
yes, madam. You conduct DPC?
I need to obtain instruction.
On
Lordship.
what
Lordship.
instruction?
No, Lordship.
You go by the rule.
Lordship, it was attached with another advocate, Mr. B. Talukdar, and due to his father's illness, Lordship, he was unable to come to the court, Lordship. I am appearing for and on his behalf only, Lordship.
Very simple matter. You are unnecessarily complicating. It said you are duty bound to conduct a DPC as per the rules. Why not directing him to appoint him? Will direct them to conduct a DPC as per the rules. Consider all the eligible candidates, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's all. What's there?
and you will, my lord, continue the, my lord, temporary arrangement for days together without considering my case when I am eligible under.
What is the rule? You are not pointing out any specific rule. You have read yourself. Prokasta sir,
My lord,
you have read yourself. You have read for yourself only. Give us the rule, a specific
Yes, yes.
rule.
I'm complying the.
Who is
copy.
that? We'll find out from here.
Yes.
You tell us the name of the rules.
This is
Name of the rules.
Rule.
Heard Mr. A.K. Prokasto, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard MS Escort, learned standing counsel, secondary education, elementary education for all the respondents. For respondent number,
That's so number 9, the private respondent. And my lord, in spite of notice being served for Bosti, perhaps my lord should give me appear.
respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, huh? Non appears for respondent 7, 8, and 9, despite services of notices. Anybody appearing for the respondent number 9?
No, he did not appear, my lord. In spite of those service being served on her.
What is that rule? Find out the rule.
I have, my lord, to that extent, I have also filed affidavit.
This is what? 2026 amendment rules.
Amendment rules.
Which particular amendment?
My lord, should kindly come to. My lord, Rule 3A. Clause 1. Second page. The post of headmaster or administrator of upper primary school, ME school, shall be
When
promotion.
the Assam Elementary Education Provisions 1977. Find out.
Shall be made on the basis of seniority. cum
Seniority
merit.
come merit and on recommendation at district
Yes.
level selection committee
Selection committee.
consists of the following so and so. Selection of
Selection on school wise.
seven, right? No. Assam Elementary Education. This earlier one is the in under the all rules. What is the provision? Section 3.
Section.
I mean
3A,
rule 3. Rule 3.
Rule 3A.
No,
Under
this is amended.
Yes. Earlier, my lord, there was.
Rule
one-
3.
Yes. Earlier rule, there was no any
3A
provision.
has been added.
It was added. Earlier, there was no any provision.
Which one will, this is what, process of promotion post of headmaster in the government or provincial upper primary school.
Yes.
This is upper primary school.
Yes.
Yes, madam. Is it upper primary school? Okay, then what is this? Sub-rule 2, process of promotion to the post of head teacher.
Yes.
Head teacher same.
Yes, headmaster.
Headmaster and head teachers are same.
Teacher, my lord, in respect to LP school, headmaster in respect to ME school.
Okay, so we're concerned about the upper primary school
Yes.
or lower
No, upper primary school.
ME.
ME.
Okay, so sub-rule 2 is in this for lower primary school.
Yes.
You are not concerned.
Yes.
Okay, disposed of.
Disposal with what direction?
Huh?
Disposal with what direction?
You'll get the order.
Definitely, I will get the order, negative or positive.
I don't know. I have not signed the order. I have heard you will pass the order.
Can you appreciate that in terms of this
See,
provision?
we'll direct them to conduct all DPC
Yes.
for consideration of all the eligible
Yeah.
candidates, including the petitioner,
Yes. And there was some time frame maybe.
within 4 months.
Within 4.
4 months. I
Yes.
remember 4 months. Huh?
Yes.
Dispose of.
Item 14.
Writ petition is not allowed, but disposed of
Huh.
with the direction to conduct DPC. All right.
Display allowed. That will, my lord, help me.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Why not, in fact, allowing the writ petition, but
Yes.
with a direction.
With the direction disposed of with the.
Dispose
direction.
of.
In terms of, my lord, Roshi kindly refer the provision.
Obviously.
I'm appearing for 7 and 8.
Okay, then 7 and 8.
That
So
is
we're
not-
directing you to consider all the eligible candidates.
Yes, all of you can in terms of this provision.
Item 14.
Yes. Huh?
I'm on behalf of Mr. PJ Fukon, my lord. He is
Use the mic. It's not working or what? Yes.
indisposed today, my lord.
Who?
Mr. PJ Fukon, Learned Standing Council, Gauhati University.
We could not locate the file, so please conduct another date.
Contact?
We could not locate the file.
Who's behalf yours?
Which Chakraborty?
MS, so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
No, my lord, I'm not the petitioner. I'm ready. They are
Okay.
respondent. They are coming this side.
You are for petitioner.
Petitioner.
He said the PJ Pukon is.
Yes.
Heard, Mr.
I am B. Chanda, my lord.
B. Chanda.
Lost.
Chandra.
Chanda, Sage and DA.
Chanda, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. So and so,
Appearing for responsible of 5.
learned counsel. Submits appearing on behalf of Mr. PJ Pukon, learned standing counsel, Gauhati University. Submits that Mr. Pukon has some is indisposed today, therefore fresh for listing of matter after 2 weeks. Mr. P. Hazrika, learned counsel for respondent 5 is present.
What's the date we given, my lord?
List the matter after 3 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks or 3 weeks? What is it? Did I say 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
My lord, this is
2
the
weeks.
withheld result, my lord, since 2013, my lord.
Ah.
So, early date, my lord. On 20th of May, my lord.
Hmm.
Of like,
List on 28th so and so.
Item 15.
Would you pay say? Don't just read like that.
Item 15.
Lordship, on last occasion, petitioner is directed to produce some judgment.
Lordship, Mr. A.R. Puya will appear.
Huh?
Mr. A.R. Puya, Senior Counsel will appear in this matter. He is on lag. Lordship may kindly take up the matter after some time.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the learned counsel. You are also in the case.
Yes, Lordship.
Submits that the leading counsel, Mr. Ayar, learned senior counsel is engaged in some other course, therefore praise for listing of the matter after 2 weeks prior allowed. MS MD Boralan is standing counsel and
Lordship, I am appearing for
standing
secondary
counsel.
welfare of minorities and development department.
You just take it from and standing counsel. Huh? P Das. Then is standing counsel, secondary education. Secondary education are present. List after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Lordship, they have not yet filed their opposition.
Hmm?
Lordship, the respond on the last date, the respondents were supposed to file the affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
More than 1.5 years ago, Lordship.
Huh?
People in this particular college has been appointed through direct recruitment, Lordship.
Hmm.
So he's one of the players to appoint him in charge principal, Lordship. So now through direct recruitment, the principal has been appointed. But Lordship, I'll file my affidavit, Lordship.
And Mr. So-and-so learned counsel, Mr. D. Upamanya. Learned standing counsel. Arrangement is fresh foreign is granted. 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Incremental benefit not paid, Lordship. As per last order, respondent side took time for filing affidavit, Lordship. Affidavit not being filed.
Yes.
So scheme order, their services were regulated by the Director of Secondary Education.
Secondary education. They are teachers. Are you a teachers? Madam, what is your service? Teachers. Are you sure?
Lordship, appointment date, Lordship.
Yes, it's a claiming of increments. Why don't you file affidavit? You don't know to file or what?
Yeah, Lordship, we will file Lordship. Lordship may kindly grant us some time to.
Second temporary.
Human service. Human service.
This is also simple whether they are entitled to increment or not. They have been, there's no issue, they have been brought under all pension scheme.
Issue is there, madam, page 37, madam.
Huh?
Issue is there, madam, page 37, madam.
27,
37.
37.
This is the regulation order, madam. They have accepted, madam, they will come under the new pension scheme, madam. They have given undertaking also, madam.
Hmm?
Even is the, madam, regulation order, madam.
Huh?
Here they have accepted, madam. I understand and accept the government service, servant joining the service of the state government.
No, no, it's not issue now. After this, as per the earlier judgment of the court in other similar writ petitions, they have been brought under, already under OPS. All pension already they have been brought in. And GPF account has also been opened. Only consequential increment they are asking. They have not, that issue is over now. Is not it, madam? You are already under the OPS. Is not it?
We are already.
So what do you want?
Incremental benefit lordship. We are brought under the old pension policy, but incremental benefits were not paid.
If I am not mistaken, there is a saying in Assamese, Kabolo dile hubolo nai bisarebi. You have been brought under already all pension scheme with all the benefits. Okay, heard MS so and so learn counsel for the petitioner. Is paid for by MS GS Suti learned standing counsel.
For 7 and 8, madam.
Secondary education. Elementary education. It's elementary education. Elementary
It's
education.
under secondary now, right?
And
Right now it's under secondary.
MS, Mr. SMT60, learned counsel for standing counsel for secondary. You are elementary, she is secondary. For the 3 weeks. Okay, it's okay. You have no role, much role. Granted 3 weeks time, further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Mr. C. Borwa, learned standing counsel, the accountant general is present. 3 weeks, you file it.
Lordship, any date may be fixed, lordship.
You were appointed in 2008 and brought under OPS. Enough.
May I please?
Yes.
So here the petitioner retired as assistant teacher, lordship,
Ah.
on 31/3/2024.
Hmm.
But his pension has not been finalized
Yes.
due to objection raised by the director of pension, lordship. The objection is that his fixation as on 1/1/2006 may be fixed at.
Yes, who is for the respondent? No affidavit, who is for respondent?
Lordship, now they are trying to recover the excess amount, lordship.
Huh?
That they are going to recover the excess amount
Hmm.
that is paid to him, lordship. But lordship, there is a judgment of Supreme Court judgment, lordship. It is
Heard
covered by
Mr.
the
So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Huh?
This is a covered case, lordship.
What covered case?
Supreme Court judgment that is Rafiq Masih, lordship. State of Punjab versus.
Let them have say, yes say.
Objection আছে নেই, whether to covered হয়. Rafiq Masih
On the prayer of Mr.
Yusuf,
Yusuf, learned
yes.
standing counsel. Secondary, further 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. It's a recovery, you file immediately.
Lordship, date may be fixed, lordship. Kindly.
There's a stay.
Lordship.
There's an interim order.
It
Is
may-
there any interim order?
No, lordship.
No.
They have issued any order to recover for recovery.
Lordship, they are processing.
Have they issued?
No, lordship.
Then, if they issued, in case they issue, you just.
Public.
Hmm.
In this case, I had my reply also.
Yes.
The affidavit filed by the state, my lord.
Yes.
And in the state affidavit, they mainly based their statements on the basis of records.
Hmm.
So they may be produce the records also for the hearing of the matter, my lord. Otherwise, it will be have to be again delayed, shifted.
Yes, produce the record.
We have categorically stated, madam, their names are not reflected in the record itself, madam. Madam,
Have you annexed the record? Well, it doesn't reflect this. You produce the record. You will say that it doesn't reflect in the record,
Yes.
so bring the record.
Yes, that is.
My lord, madam.
Yes, heard Mr.
DP.
DP Chalia, learned senior counsel assisted by Swincho, learned counsel for the petitioners, considering the affidavit filed on behalf of the state, which indicates that the names of the petitioners not reflected in the records, comma, it would be appropriate to peruse the record.
This is not reflected in the record, madam. Madam, they were not, no. Some of the petitioner were neither received salary or madam, they were considered, madam.
Anyway, I will see that. You have said so, their name is not reflected in the record.
Not it is not that, madam, their name is not reflected. They were participated, madam. Thereafter, madam, observation is 102, madam, page number.
No, what do your state?
The salary are not trained, madam. And some of the no record appearance in the madam, screening committee is found, madam. They have not participated in the screening committee before.
Then we, what I said? Some of the petitioners. No, not name of them. No, not name of them. Name just delete. Some of the petitioners has not participated in the selection process.
In the screening committee.
In the screening committee.
The irregular, illegal teacher.
For identification of illegal or irregular teachers, as per the records, comma, it would be appropriate to peruse the records for proper adjudication of the matter. This accordingly, MS SUT Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department is directed to produce the relevant records, not all the records, the relevant record on an website. List as agreed to by parties, let this matter be listed on when?
After 2 weeks, madam.
3 weeks.
Right.
3 weeks, 2 weeks,
This thing.
2 weeks.
The phone to be taken. And it is from Lakhimpur, madam, 3 weeks, madam.
3 weeks. There's one more item. Seven. No. What was there? Why?
My lord, we have received the record, my lord.
Yes.
We received the instruction along with the record.
Hmm.
Record says, my lord, in the school resolution, my lord, there is a no name of the petitioner, my lord, Sultana Razia, my lord. And my lord, Ayesha Sultana, my lord. Their name is not in the SMDC resolution. We have resolution from the establishment of the school, my lord. My lord,
No, whether they have the DIC code.
Their name appeared, my lord. But how appeared, my lord, there is not in accordance with the record, my lord.
What about the verification? Have you verified? That is the verification. Is there any findings after the verification? Specific report?
I am producing it. Oh, yes, sir. Verification report is the second page, my lord, in the notes. Pages, my lord, it is second page. My lord. Enquiry report, my lord, application number Swain, Razia Sultan and others versus Swain Show. Here, my lord, I have marked, my lord. School was established on 1/6/1978, my lord. Then there is a general meeting, my lord, 31/1/78, my lord. Abdul Sattar, he was appointed at the head teacher, my lord. I mark it, my lord.
Where you have marked?
Written in the Bengali, my lord.
Huh?
It has written in the Bengali resolution.
So how do I know?
That I verified, my lord.
It has been
Very good.
translated. Huh?
Let him file, my lord, affidavit so that we could honestly reply, my lord. Let him file affidavit, my lord, enacting this.
You file affidavit?
Yes.
Or Mr. Dekha,
Yes, my lord.
you keep the records with you?
They are operating interim order.
PK Dekha, then counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners?
Yes, my lord.
Petitioners?
Yes, my lord.
Next para, Mr.
This again.
P. Learned State Council, Standing Council.
State Council.
The State Council has produced the record as directed by this court with the report of the verification, which the list of Mr. Seke, State Council submitted the report. He may be allowed to bring on record the report, the verification report by an affidavit. Accordingly, the verification report be brought on record by an affidavit. Mr. So-and-so, you are also appearing.
For the school number 9 and 10, like that.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the Burbuya. F.U. Burbuya, learned counsel for respondent 9 and 10 are is present. List. Learned State Council, Mr. Sekia, to retain the record. List the matter. After 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
My lord.
3 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
There is an interim order. Here, appointment, here there is a.
See,
12
had
years-
you been this side, what would have been there?
at
your
times of
submission.
12 years and 13 years.
So what is your submission? What would have been your submission had you been in this side?
My lord, so I praying for fixing a date, but
give
we are
the
in
date.
interim order.
I will give it. 1925.
Made with the budget.
Yes.
Matter pertains to my lord, suspension, prolonged suspension, my lord, unauthorized suspension. I was suspended on 4/1/25, my lord, and now.
Yes.
26.
Which part estate?
25. What is? 20.
School education.
Page 20, your lordship will find the interim suspension.
Yes. 60. One. More than 1 year. Any review?
Nothing, my lord, nothing.
Are you sure?
Yes, my lord. For my instruction, good.
Susandranath HT. What is HT?
Head teacher. Teacher, lordship. Head teacher.
Okay. Azad LP School Salman arrested by the Director Business and Anti-Corruption. ACB. As per rules under the. You obtain instruction.
Yes.
If there is no revision, it cannot be allowed. If there is no review. Or Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel for the petitioner. Considering that the challenge made in this, considering the challenge made in this writ petition regarding continuous suspension since January 2025. Alleging without review, Mr. SMT Learned Standing Council, School Education.
Lordship, I'm sorry, Lordship, there's an instruction, there's an order, Lordship, by which the director has already reviewed that order for a further period of 3 months, Lordship, which ordered 18th May of 2025.
You filed in that case? No, then forget it. You just delete it, huh? Mr. SMT System, after this name, huh? Hard sensible. After SMT State Learned Council, Standing Council, School Education.
Yes, bro.
It's secondary or what? School
It's elementary.
Why you have not mentioned? You have just said the school education.
Lordship,
Elementary.
Elementary education, man. Elementary.
Elementary Education Department submits that he has already received the instruction to which he would like to bring on record by an affidavit. Therefore, press for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit. Therefore, press for 3 weeks' time. Is the press allowed? List the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, one thing may I submit, my lord, can a date be fixed otherwise? Because my learned friend has submitted, review has been done as per his instruction on 18/12/25. I was suspended on 4/1/25, almost fag end of the year, my lord, in the year 25, in the month of December.
You'll bring on record.
My lord,
Did they bring on record, Lordship?
my humble prayer only.
There's already decision when even 1 year beyond the 90 days.
Lordship,
We have considered so many in
my
so
humble
many
prayer
cases.
only the date may be fixed, my lord. That is my humble
Give
prayer.
the date.
8 June, my lord. Highly appreciated.
Item 28.
This matter is.
Yes.
My petitioner 1 is the mother and petitioner 2 is the minor son of petitioner number 1. Two shortage of attendance, but the petitioner number 2 was not allowed to sit in the HSL class 12 examination conducted by CBSE from Kendriya Vidyalaya and IT Silchar.
It's over.
Yes, exam has been over as per honorable court's order. I was allowed to sit in the exam. I was allowed to sit in the practical examination. But on the last occasion, there is an observation that till the next date, results should not be declared. So if my friend agrees, my love, senior friend, for the interest of the students, since he has appeared and due to medical illness, there are some shortage of attendance. So at this stage, my lord, if my friend agrees, result may be declared, my lord. For the interest of the student, my lord. In any case, he is very meritorious student, more than 95% secured in the HSLC examination, plus 10 examination, page 17. And he has been studying in the particular school from class 1 to class 12. And in class 12,
Class 12 exam.
up to class 12.
It is class 12 exam.
Yes.
So
For
you have already declared the result for others.
Yes, we have already.
So you declared the result?
So what happened, that's why we have considered, because the honorable court has directed us to allow him to appear in the examination.
So
And
now,
also take the practical examination, because his attendance was very short. There are shortage of attendance.
50%. I was-
50%. Because, and as per the bylaws, lordship, actually the principal has to recommend the shortage of, recommend the actually application of the petitioner to the CBSE. I am appealing for the CBSE. So the principal has not recommended the his application. That's why you could not consider him. But as per rule, lordship, he has to only the shortage of attendance can be condoned. With lordship, they have annexed the rule also. If he is suffering from prolonged illness means lordship, cancer, some disease. But he is suffering from eye disease. Eye disease.
like us,
Eye disease, lordship.
like us, eye disease.
Yes.
This is the most difficult disease. Problematic disease.
His mother has filed an application before the principal stating that, and CBSE also, in the year from
So what is to be done today?
24, lordship.
This is, you have filed the affidavit. You are appearing for
School.
school. What is your stand?
Stand, my lord.
It's the same because as per the SOP which has been actually floated by the CBSE. Now, as per the SOP, to be considered a prolonged illness, they have to submit certificates from a government institution, a government doctor. And they have not done that. And this, and also they have not submitted any prolonged illness certificate from a government doctor. And we have stated, if your lordship produces to page number 77, the reasons are there. We have written to the CBSE that why we cannot recommend, because there are other students also who are waiting in line for the outcome, because there are many students who are shortage in attendance and they had not been allowed to appear and they did not appear. Only his case was actually considered because the honorable court by the interim order directed us to conduct the board examination. And he appeared and
Class 12 science or arts?
Science, my lord.
the thing is, he is actually, as far as, because I cannot say from the information that I have actually, that the principal has gathered, he's actually taking coaching classes for
My lord, that is not correct.
So the thing is, he is attending those classes, but not this class.
That is not
So
correct, my
That
lord.
is the problem. Other students, those who have been found having less attendance, because from 75, somebody is having less than 75% attendance, then that can be condoned by the chairman CBSE. But
Okay, we'll consider after a week.
Day after, the result may be declared.
No, no.
my lord.
We'll first consider, we'll dispose of the matter. Pleadings are complete.
We have not filed reply, my lord.
Then you file, who is stopping you?
Yes. Let it come next
Not
week.
Mr.
Answer.
Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Press for and is granted 2 weeks time to
1 week,
file,
my lord, not 2 weeks.
a week's time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. List after a week.
After 1 week, my lord, the result will be declared. My lord, on 15, result will be declared.
Who?
They will declare the result of all the students. 15.
That later also you can
For
declare the
admission
result.
problem.
Huh?
If I succeed, that there will be an admission problem. So short date may be given.
That's why I said 1 week. After 1 week,
20. Like, this type.
22.
This type is.
Like this.
20 taken.
No, I don't.
Okay, question 21. 21.
Mr. Item 46.
Continue.
22.
Outline.
40. 46. 46. 46.
My lord, I'm appearing, my lord.
yes.
But the petitioner, my lord, is a student of Royal Global University, is the final semester of PhD, my lord. He is a very meritorious student, securing almost 90% of marks since matriculation.
Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes.
You are for Royal Global.
Royal Global.
How they read petition and maintain? It's a private institute.
So there is a mechanism for appeal before the vice chancellor.
Ah.
On that point, my lord, I will make submission
Huh?
that whether the imparting of education by a private university, whether it comes within the domain of public function, my lord. Because, my lord, for the purpose of Article 226 of the Constitution, issuing a writ by this court, my lord,
There's a provision for appeal. File an appeal before the vice chancellor.
a representation was made before the authority.
Then you come back, then we'll decide whether it will fall under other authorities
My lord, after
on
2
being
days,
functioning as
my lord, today is 12, my lord.
having the public function.
Today is 12. After 2 days, my lord, exam is going to.
No.
Going to on 15, my lord.
No.
As per my instruction.
As per my instruction, the class will continue till June, 15th of June. Thereafter, the examination will be.
Exam.
Yes, July.
Now, my lord, so the issue is, my lord, the issue is to be considered by this court whether the writ is maintainable.
I
Because
think
my lord,
I should not take up this matter.
because on that point, my
List
lord,
this 46 and 47.
same issue.
List this matter before any other appropriate bench without me. There's some reason. I have some, reservation.
But tomorrow or day after tomorrow, my lord, fixing a date.
No, I cannot. Once I cannot take up, once I recuse, That's not serious as such, but I have some
The
reservation.
issue is very serious. Otherwise, my lord,
But
the-
it's interesting.
Very
Whether the
interesting.
private school will fall under the other
The issue
authorities,
is, my lord, whether
under Article 12,
Article 12 is different
or
and
having the public function
yes,
by imparting education, that
Art-
will be interesting question.
Article 12,
Articles question, interesting question, but then
Article-
I have some reservation. Thank you. This matter, separate order.
my lord, what did they fix it?
Before any other appropriate bench without me, huh? You just said.
My lord, should fixing a date, my lord.
Once I cannot take up, I cannot pass fix also. You make a mention before the registry.
29.
Yes.
Perusing to Lavazima order, your lordship, dated your lordship, the steps is not completed.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Peruse the order of order dated 24, no, the Lazima Court's order dated 24/03/2025. Which indicates, which reflects that despite an opportunity provided, no steps have been taken. List of neither the next para, neither the petitioner, no, neither before the Lazima Court nor before this court, the petitioners are, a petitioner remains unrepresented.
Previous date also, your lordship, he was.
Thus, it appears that the
Present.
petitioner is not interested to pursue this matter. List of accordingly, writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Lordship, we could not locate the file. Can you please type
Yes.
another date?
You want to take a step?
No, Lordship, can you conduct another date? We could not locate the file.
On the prayer of, no, Miss MS
A. Sharma.
A. Sharma, London Council,
Chakraborty.
appearing on behalf of
B. Chakraborty.
B. Chakraborty, London Council for the petitioner. Further, a week's time is granted to take precise steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5. List the matter after 4 weeks. Are you appearing? Yes, next.
1931.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Matter pertains to non-receiving the salary, pension, and retirement benefit. So in this case, Your Lordship, the respondents had already filed their affidavit in opposition. So my prayer is kindly fix a date for we.
Heard Mr. So and so and counsel for the petitioner. The respondents have filed their affidavit.
File a reply.
We'll file a reply against our affidavit of opposition.
Heard Mr.
Arkenath.
Land Council for the petition. Mr. A. Fukun Land Standing Council, Elementary Education, submits that he has already filed the affidavit on behalf of the department. Next para, as prayed for by Mr. Nath.
Arkenath.
Further 3 weeks time is granted to, 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
My Lord,
reply.
kindly fix it there because the petitioner is.
Then after 3 weeks, give 3 weeks.
6th of June.
Also.
Yes.
We kindly peruse the order 27/4/2026.
Yes.
Created area amounting of rupees 7,53,000, my lord.
So you've complied with, complied with.
No, my Lord.
Yes, my lord, but it is under process, my lord.
Part of the payment has paid only the interest part. That is
Yes.
a proposal has been sent because of this code of conduct also, it will be even lot.
Within a very short period.
Proceed fix the matter in the next week, my lord. In the meantime, they will
Next
take,
week,
my
it
lord.
takes, it will go to
On the
finance.
last occasion, my lord, it was observed that, my lord.
See, it's not, it's a matter, it's not a willful, some of, it has been partly complied with. Interest part also, they are saying the submission proposed for release of interest payment.
Fine.
They are under process. Why unnecessary?
Lordship may not close this petition. my
We'll
lord,
close.
because, my lord, if. it
We'll
is closed,
record
my
this and we'll close it.
lord, if it is closed, my lord, they will not again pay, my lord. I will have to file a.
See,
another
proposal
paper,
has
my lord.
already been submitted.
Yes, my lord, let them pay, my lord, in the meantime, my lord.
Huh?
Let them complete the process. my
They'll
lord.
proceed, complete it.
On the last occasion, my lord.
That
it was
Mr.
observed- On the last.
IHK, London Council for the petitioner. As spread for by, then in that case, we'll just say, as spread for by MS, so and so, huh? Both SMT 60, London, and MS Esbora, and Pukan, London Council for the Alice Container. You take this back. List this matter after 4 weeks. See, unless we show that there's a willful, we cannot.
This is the judgment.
We are not here to,
Sir, this is
we
judgment.
cannot invoke the contempt jurisdiction to make a scarecrow to the authority, I mean,
Well,
officers and the.
judgment of 2015, there is yet not the petition.
Anyway, thank you. Rest. What is this? This complied.
No matter.
My lord, here proposal
Just,
has forwarded by the inspector
Up to
and
39.
process is going on to submit them government, my lord.
My lord, non-compliance of this court order, my lord.
Hmm.
They have paid regular salary, of course,
Huh.
recently, except one case, my lord.
Huh.
They always telling that all are getting regular salary, but in one case, my lord, they did not get any salary still today. Anyway,
Rest they are getting, this they have received regular salary.
they have others are getting regular.
So what is
salary.
what was the direction?
Direction is non-payment of salary losses.
There you are getting now.
Our area is not getting, my lord.
Is
Area-
the direction is for arrears?
Yeah, not only, areas. Then immediately after filing the contempt, my lord, they have paid only regular salary. Regular
So they are
salary is
they are processing for
2025.
arrears.
Areas.
My lord, the
We have
What?
processed.
moreover, my lord, in my
Sir,
instruction.
have you processed for
Yes,
payment
madam.
of
Under
arrears?
Yes, my lord,
No,
under
see,
process.
sometime since they have taken process,
I
my
am-
lord. But in one case, my lord, excuse me, please.
Yes.
One case, my lord, case number 34, my lord, Sujit Das. In this case, they have not been paid, my lord. There are 3 teachers, but they have not been paid. Now, but they have stated everybody has getting their regular salaries. This
Okay,
is not
heard
correct.
MSK, they be learned counsel for the petitioners.
Did-
This will be listed to one order.
Yes.
Mr.
You
No.
You saw, no?
MS, no, forget about this. You just read. Mrs. K. Devi, learned counsel by the petitioner, submits that the current salaries have been paid except
Item number 34.
One-
Hey, this
one-
contempt number.
except one,
In December.
except in respect of one,
Contempt number 695, 2024.
except one
It does.
Sujit Das in contempt case number 9695 of 2024. Next paper, Mr. U. Sharma, Mr. SMT 60 and Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel for the Alice Consumer submits that all the petitioners have been paid the current salary. However, the areas for payment of area salary are under active areas salary is under active consideration. Accordingly, please therefore praise for listing of the matter after 4 weeks. Praise allowed list the matter after 4 weeks. 4 weeks. You complete it.
Kindly give a date, my lord, because this is.
See, she said that one Sujit Das has not
Yes,
been
yes.
paid. You take care of it. All right. 4 weeks, you complete the entire thing and come back.
I know the
close the matter.
update, all the candidates are getting.
Thank you. Hmm.
Demand is that?
4 weeks.
My lord, I need date because they are not getting area salaries. Highly obliged.
Current you are getting,
Starting recently, my lord, only 3 months they are getting.
recent in is
Highly obliged.
May I please?
yes.
I was on last occasion, respondents of time to file reflex.
Who?
In this matter, my lord, some time is required as per my instruction, my lord. Here it is stated, my lord, as per Assam.
Heard
Education
Mr.
Commission-
So-and-so, learned counsel
Yes.
for the petitioner on the prayer of Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel for the list content. Further 3 weeks time is granted.
My lord, date may be fixed.
And let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Public.
Hmm.